Namaskaram friends, let's see 32nd Divya Desam Thiru Manimada Kovil. This is again located in the surroundings of Sirgari. This is one of the 11 Tirunangur Divya Desams. This temple has a unique significance. It is that this is the first temple where Lord Vishnu gave darshan to Lord Shiva. As a recap, let me give the details about why this 11 Kshetrams are called as Tirunangur Divya Desams. We know Lord Shiva did the Rudra Dandavam when he lost his consort Parvati Devi as a Sati at Daksha's Yagna place. She took the Sati for herself, no? So after hearing that, Lord Shiva became very angry and he started dancing a Rudra Dandavam. While he performs the Rudra Dandavam, his lock of hair touched different places around the Sirgari and it all became the Rudramurtis. So there was 11 lock of hair touched the ground and 11 Rudramurtis formed. This something is a symptom of decimation of the earth or the universe. So all the rishis sages prayed Lord Vishnu and Lord Vishnu gave darshan to pacify Lord Shiva. So this is the first Divya Desams of all these 11 Divya Desams. And after seeing Lord Vishnu, after having the darshan of Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva requested him to appear in the other Rudramurti Sthalam also, and that's why we got the 11 Tirunangur Divya Desams. So this has a significance that Lord Perumal gave the first darshan. Here we will see why this place gets the name Manimadam. Manimadam refers to the light that glows continuously. Who is light here? Lord Vishnu is the light. He gives the wisdom light, Jnana Oli, all the time continuously in this temple, divine place. So that's how we get the name Thiru Manimada Kovil. That is one thing. And I would have also quoted that the 11 Perumals of different 11 Divya Desams came all different places from north and south, like Mathura, Ayodhya, Vrindavan, etc. Likewise, this Perumal is from Badrikashram. So this Perumal, Badrikashram Perumal is gracing here as Narayana Perumal. The Moolavar name is Narayana Perumal in Manimada Kovil. First Perumal of all the 11 Perumals in the Tirunangur Divya Desam. And this temple has another uniqueness is that we know Tirukoštiyur Nambigal gave the Mahamandiram, Tirumandiram, Upadesam to Ramanuja, correct? He arrived here to this temple. He gave the Tirumandiram Upadesam in the Vimanam called Ashtanga Vimanam, and as he arrived here, there is a separate sanctum we can see for Tirukoštiyur Nambigal. He is Acharyagal for the great Ramanuja. So we can visit Tirukoštiyur Nambigal's sanctum in this temple. And as I was quoting in all the other Divya Desams of this Tirunangur, the famous festival that one should not miss is during the Thai Masam, the next day of Amavasai, where all the 11 Uchavas of Tirunangur Divya Desams are giving darshans at one place at this temple called Tirumanimada Kovil. So if we visit this during Thai Masam Amavasai, we can see all the 11 Perumals at one place. Okay, and Lord Shiva, the other legends, this is the main legend. The other legends are Lord Shiva got Brahmahati Dosham. So by getting the Lord Vishnu's darshan here, he got relieved from the Brahmahati Dosham, which he got by slashing Lord Brahma's one of his heads. And Indiran and Airavatam elephant, Airavatam elephants belongs to Indiran. They both also got the curse as they didn't read the garland given by Durvasa, correct? So Durvasa cursed Indiran that he will miss all his properties as he didn't give enough respect to the garland of Mahalakshmi. So Airavatam elephant did the penance here. And Lord Vishnu gave darshan to Indiran and Airavatam also in this place. So that's the other significance. This place is also called as Nagapuri. Nagam in Tamil refers to snake, Seshan, but Naga in Sanskrit refers to elephant. So since the elephant, Airavatam elephant did the penance from this place, this is also termed as Nagapuri. Tirunangur, Nangur refers to elephant, Nagapuri, all these different names are given to this place. So Pranava Vimanam name is Pranava Vimanam. There are two Pushkarnis, one is Rudra Pushkarni, other one is Indira Pushkarni. And Tirumangai Alva sang the Pasurams here. So the festival that I am talking about, the festival that used to held during the Thai Masam, is something, the tribute to Tirumangai Alva. And we also can see the darshans of 11 Perumals, I said. Okay. Tirumangai Alvar, how he praises God is, he is Satyam, wisdom and Nityam and Anantam. Satyam is Nityam, like Lord Vishnu is there all the time. There is no birth or expiry. He forms this universe, he forms this Srishti. So Nityam is there all the time, always. And wisdom. Narayana, Lord Narayana is full of wisdom. Anantam. Anantam refers that he is beyond the time, he is beyond the place, and he is beyond the things. Every he is filled in everyone's heart. So we cannot say that Vishnu belongs to only set of people. Vishnu belongs only to me. Vishnu belongs to only that thing. No. Every living things, every non-living things are all filled by Lord Vishnu. So he is beyond living and non-living things. And he is beyond the Srishti. Living and non-living things is nothing but a formation of Srishti. Beyond the Srishti, he is beyond the time, he is beyond the wisdom. So that's the details about 32nd Divya Desam. Let us meet tomorrow. It's a very great climate here. It's full of breeze and it's time for the rain, I think. Stay safe, friends. Thank you all. Namaskaram.